going to walk in my spot in my drill. When it's time to tap, I've got to be at 100%. So we're just gonna hope for the best. Tool change. Okay, I got 852 to go. That's looking right. Looking for that pause at 100. There we go, 100%. Now, this is when you do your first article. Okay? It's zeros at 12. I'm looking for 2.8. I'm at 2.88. Were you guys able to see that at all? And it's little needle, big needle. So the little needle is past the 0.2, but it's not to the 0.3 yet. And then we go to the big needle where I'm at 8.8. Now we're going to put a little bit of cutting oil in there. Change out our tool. Contact. $800 to go. Pause at 500. Boom, there's my feed rate, 100%. $72,000. It is kind of leaving a long chip here. I'm not too crazy about that. Going down to 6.9. One more right there. Okay, let's blow that out. Woo! That hurt. We have to pin this now. We're looking for 201. Let's get the cutting oil out of the way. Okay, the pin is above 201. Make sure it's in the right place. It is. Okay, that one did go. 202. That one didn't go. Roger that. Okay, so let's grab the 201. Grab my calipers. It's the one time you get to use incremental on your caliper. Incremental. Put the pin in. Hold the back up against. 637. And we were looking for 6.3, right? 6.2. So 7 thou fat. It's on the fat side, so I'm good. Make sure you turn off incremental. Here we go. Nice. Nice. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's put some oil in there. Swap out. To the tap. And let's hope for the best. I'm at 100%. Please don't break. Please don't break. Ta-da! We're almost done. Let's get that tool out of there. Now we need our...
Go, no go?
Got my go, no go. So let's try the no go.
Uh-oh.
No go goes several threads. And the go, oh, so she's a little loosey-goosey. But let's do this. Let's get our depth. Just gonna, can I get it? No, I can't get it on this with my caliper. So what we'd need is a height gauge. We have one, don't we? Right here. Let's see if I can get it in there. Can I get you closer? Okay, so zero it on your gauge. Screw it in. A little oil in here. Hopefully you can get past this. Okay, she stopped. And I got 480. So I'm, what was that, 3/8 what I was looking for? All right. So why is it deeper? Because of that stopping at the end. It wasn't very precise. But I'm deeper than what the print calls out, and I didn't break the tap, so I'm good.